Ano kasi?
Hey, Queenie, my impression, Queen Honest. My honor to see you, Mr. Mwanje, Mr. Suka Charles, Mr. Martin Taremwa, Madam Beth Kajambo, bale kola kaviiri munnaye aka Idi. Madam Bethi, I'm seeing Lameshi, I'm seeing Madam Justin, Mr. Geoffrey, John Luca, manya asatu, Geoffrey, John Luca, gonna kamazeyo. Last but not least, Mr. Oh no, Madam Juliet. It's my honor to see you again. I think this is my first time, no, the second time this month, here, the same hour. It's my honor. Today, we are to look about something which is very essential and useful if you give it time. If you don't, then the ball is in your court. Today is 26th of March 2025. We have received the showers since morning up to now. Alhamdulillah for that. We are grateful for that. Whenever rain pours down, at least it's a blessing from above. You have to praise God for that. Muslims, you're only left with at least 4 days to end Ramadan, meaning sawa yonna next week Eid. So if you have a Muslim friend, please try to tie bonds right now. Call them, babuze ko to secure your place on Eid, the basmat. You know that feeling of eating basmat very early Monday morning. We're expecting Eid to happen on Monday. We're expecting Eid to happen on Monday. So if you have a Muslim friend, please call him or her right now. Mubuze ko ariatia. So that on that day, second, in about few minutes from now, we are to start. So kindly, please take a screenshot of this page. You post it into the group and notify others that we have started. Take a screenshot of this page. You post it into the group and notify others that we have started. Mr. Manu Cloud, you're most welcome. Kindly please take a screenshot of this page. You post it into the group and notify others that we have started. That we have started. Where are my people? I'm not seeing screenshots. What are you up to? Please take a screenshot, post it into the group and notify others that we have started. That we have started. I'm not going to start. Screenshots are not shared in the group. Kindly please, I'm seeing only one person, Mr. Martin. He has shared the screenshot. He has shared the screenshot. Others, what are you waiting for? Others, what are you waiting for? We only left with a few minutes. We'll start right away. Please take a screenshot, post it in the group and notify others that, okay, Mr. Master Osama has shared. 1 minute to go. 1 minute to go. Mr. Cloud, thank you so much. I'm seeing Madam Justin, she's typing. Bethy Moheire, she has also posted. All right. Since those have posted, I think we can start right away. One, all of us came here to make money. But the question is, what are you putting to factor? What factors are you putting into consideration so that you're making money? Do you know classes? Is it Beth? Beth, kindly please mute your mic. Beth, kindly please mute your mic. Thank you so much. So if you don't want to attend classes, at least equip yourself with a few skills which is going to enable you make money. Among those few skills is to spot out a good hot signal. Among those few skills is to spot out a good hot signal to trade. Do you know that you can really trigger out your own trade? without looking for Uncle Royal, without waiting for Madam Zam, without waiting for anybody, by just using your phone. And among those factors, it is through using RoyalQ itself. RoyalQ itself, it's a trading board which was well designed purposely for trading. And onto that, RoyalQ is equipped with few best indicators which can enable you spot out a good performing coin. Did you know you can use Kabaliga strategy to trade that? Did you know you can wake up at night at midnight at around 12, 1 or 2 a.m. Then you have your command on Binance, then you want to make some good money. You're not going to call me to help you give a signal. You can also identify that in your own RoyalQ. So today, I'm going to take you through onto how you can spot out a good hot, in capital letters. You can spot out a good hot signal on your behalf without waiting for anybody. All right. Before I proceed, let me welcome again Madam Beth, Lamesh, Kainda, Queen, Suka, Mwanje. Happy Ngonyize Bunyizi. Yeah? I'm seeing Juliet, Justin, Geoffrey, David, Mananu, Munyumia, Mr. Martin Ak, Atonjeire, Mudondo, Esther Ngabanji, Hassan, Tumusime, Kakuru, Chaligaba, Murat. Murat! Aze? Okay. Last but not least, Madam Flavia. All right. Allow me share out my screen. Allow me share out my screen. I believe now my screen is fully visible. Let me believe now my screen is fully visible. So my whole concentration is onto these topics. My whole concentration is onto these things you're seeing right here. Bano. Banaba Bidibola. They are the ones which can make you a lot of money. With the trading, it is you. It is you to determine your own profits. It is you to determine your own profits. Your level of greed is the one which determines your own profits. To start with, I'm going to open my favorite RoyalQ application. As you're seeing, it's open in blue and a golden texture. So currently we are having out this issue. No, this is late. So we are trading more than 100. No, not even 100. There are more than 380 coins plus. These are the coins we are dealing with. We are trading more than 380 coins on RoyalQ. But onto these, how do you really determine that this coin is going to perform very nicely in the next 15 minutes, in the next 1 hour, in the next 4 hours, in the next days? How do you really determine that this coin is really going to perform so that I put in my money? So imagine 380 coins, then you're supposed to select only one coin. How do you really do that? What I'm seeing today, I'm seeing some green pasture. Wow. Market is awakening. Okay, so I'm seeing few reds. So this is an indicator showing that, man, the market is very nicely. Go kutte, go bar. Whatever coin you pick, it's going to perform, but you must be very careful. There are coins which are going to be delisted. The coins to be delisted, never attempt to trade them. Are you seeing this? Allah, I'm seeing Ego, ST, Baga, Combo, Lina. Yes, those are the 5 coins which are going to be delisted. They're going to be delisted on 28th. How do you know that we're going to be delisted? When you tap onto your RoyalQ, onto these 3 horizontal lines, are you seeing here? This is where we find what we call the announcement page. Niringa WhatsApp status here RoyalQ. This is where it identifies everything to its users. So when you tap here, so you're going to find news or notices concerning RoyalQ platform. So when you tap here, they told you that, hey, today they have added new trading pairs. Today is 26th. Let me see which pairs have been added today. They say that on Binance, they have added this pair. Epiki, Fomu, Mimo, Niru, Pati. Okay, by the way, Neil, it's a good coin. I've seen it. nil. It's a good coin. I've seen it. So for me, I think I don't have it. But when I added them, it will definitely come back. On other exchanges, so you see, these coins have just been added today on 26th March. At the same time, I want to say this. Are you seeing this? Binance is going to they issued this notice on 21st March. They said that they're going to remove Ego, AST, Bagger, Combo from Spot Binance. When you tap here, they even tell you the date when it is going to be delisted. They said that due to Binance they will be removed on 25th. This is my point of interest. It's going to be removed on 25th. No, on 28th March 2025, meaning we only have 2 days. We only have 2 days left. So to be on a safer side, I think it's tomorrow by Thursday. Tomorrow on Thursday. By the time it clocks 12 a.m., please exit these trades. If you have, accept the loss. If you have these trades, I think most of us have this coin bagger. If they delist a coin, meaning you're going to lose your money. So Binance tells you, please immediately close the trades. Even Royuki tells you, please immediately close to avoid losing your money. If you invested in $100 and the coin is in floating a loss of $40, if you close, that means you're accepting a loss of $40 and you're going to save a $60. But if you don't close this trade and it's delisted with your money there, meaning you have lost all your $100. So the better thing would be, don't wait for a coin to be delisted when you have the money. Please save. A bird in hand is better than 2 in the bush. Nyamantono okane rimunkwawa. So if you invested your $100 in one of these coins, and it's in floating loss of $40, close, accept a loss of $40, you remain with the $60 tandikiro kobulamu instead of losing all like 100. So at least by tomorrow, Thursday, close these trades. If you have any of these trades which are going to be delisted, I hope I'm clear there. Now, always avoid trading to be delisted coins, even though how high they pump, because some of these coins they input to, they attract. Coin might pump from 1% to 200%. We have seen this. We have witnessed this from 1% to 100 to 200%. When you enter, boom, you're going to be left there and being trapped. You say you're going to lose your money. So please never and ever trade this coin. Let me show you something. Roku invented a new option which helps you not trade such coins. Let me show you. I'm going to use 2 coins. I'm going to use this coin Ego and also this coin 1 inch. Are you seeing? When I tap onto this coin 1 inch, like I'm going to create a trade, and I tap onto 1 inch, I tap onto create, again create. When I come here down, I'm going to tap onto trade setting, manually create. I change my settings, I change my things, I save. Are you seeing down here? Are you seeing this option? Prevent buy if the listing is imminent. This button is switched on every coin you're going to trade. It says that prevent buy if the listing is imminent, meaning your robot won't trade this coin when it is going to be delisted, because most of you don't want to check there on the announcement page. You look out for the good performing coins. Uncle didn't teach you Kabaliga strategy. He told you to look for pumping coins, then you land on a coin which is going to be delisted. You see, when you trade it, you're going to be trapped there up, then it pulls down. You might lose your money. But if this button is switched on, your robot won't trade that coin. So you see, 1 inch, the button is switched on. So when I switch it off, meaning I can trade it. But if I switch it on, meaning my robot will prevent me from trading any coin which is about to be delisted. Now, if I tap onto this to be delisted coin, for example, this Ego, I understand. In fact, the moment you tap onto it, Ego, they tell you, please risk warning. This coin is to be delisted. Do you understand? Someone with the input who says, yes, I understand. He taps on to create and create again. Another warning. This coin is to be delisted. Do you really understand what you're doing? Someone says, yes, he understands. Then he taps on to trade setting, manually create. He chooses a strategy. Let me select anything. Are you seeing here? Still, this button is also applied. When you tap on to save and you want to trade this coin, let's say I want to activate it. You see, when I tap on to activate create, my robot won't trade. It says to me, sorry, sir, this coin to be delisted. The current strategy cannot be activated because the coin is about to be delisted. If you still wish to proceed, please go to the trade setting and disable that can prevent buy if the listing is imminent. Meaning, robot again trading coin, it is trying to keep you away from trading such coins. It's trying to keep you away from trading such coins. You see, you can't trade. Let me go back here. So on our Kabaliga strategy, how do you determine Kabaliga strategy? Determine Kabaliga strategy by touching onto this icon. Are you seeing the 24-hour change? Are you seeing the 24-hour change? Are you seeing that? When you tap there, it is going to align coins in the most in ascending order and descending order. In ascending order, it's going to show you coins which are performing highly and those which are lower performing. So now, hey, my God, look at this DGP. Okay, I was coming, it was on 16%. Right now, it is on 20%. Well, okay. So when we are trading, always consider the first 11 coins. Pay attention, please. When we are using Kabaliga strategy, we consider the first 11 coins. One, I'm going to consider DGB. I tap on to create, I tap on to 15-minute time frame. When we are trading, we consider the 4 time frames. Excuse me, BTC. We consider the 4 time frames, the 15-minute, 1 hour, 4 hour, and 1 day. We look at up all these. So Kabaliga, it is simply this what you're seeing here. When these bands, these Bollinger bands, they do something like that. Kabaliga. Hope you know people who usually work like this. I'm sorry if you're among them, midnight watch just for demonstration purposes. A boy, this is a trouser. Don't laugh at my drawings. Hey, if the boy walks like this, I'm going to cause a what? And even a girl. This is a skirt. When their legs are like this, that's what we call a Kabaliga. Someone moving like that. Oh, is it cross leg? No, is it cross leg? I don't know how it's termed as, but that's how it looks like. Someone tumbler when their foot are apart. Kabaliga, Zambaliga. So also on Royal Q, when we are trading with Royal Q, this what you're seeing up here is what we call a Kabaliga. Are you seeing it? This is what you're seeing up here. These bands you're seeing up here, they are formed what we call a Kabaliga. So the Kabaliga strategy simply enables you to see out which coin it is about to pump so high. Let me go back. When we tap onto 1 hour, we see, is it still the same thing or it is being closed? When you tap onto 1 hour, Kabaliga is not being activated. When you tap onto 4 hour, now we are on Kabaliga, we are seeing it is being activated. Something like this. Kabaliga is simply something when these bands, these are called the Bollinger bands. How do we activate the Bollinger bands? When you tap down here, I told you Reiki has few indicators and they are only 6. They are only 6 indicators. We have a moving average, Bollinger band, volume, MACD, KDJ, and RSI. But our point of interest is on to what we call the Bollinger Band only. So when I tap here, it is nowhere to be seen. That's how most of you look at your coins. Sorry, look at your charts. But when you tap onto this word ball, then the bands really appear. So we trade using Kabaliga strategy when these bands, when this upper band is forming something like this, as you're seeing here, and when also the candlesticks are onto the upper band, when they are onto the upper band, this is when the Kabaliga strategy is eminent. Are you seeing here? So what I'm saying, this coin is trying to increase up so that it meets this zone. It's going to fill here what we call the liquidity gap. Eyambuka efiiringa kino kigap kyalekawo wano. According to what I'm saying, this coin is going to rise up to when it reaches this zone 0.012. This coin is going to increase to reach this zone of 0.012. Now tap onto 1 day, it is still the same. Are you seeing the 1 day a Kabaliga is formed? Are you seeing? Meaning I can enter this coin. Meaning I can fully enter this coin of DGB. I can trade this coin of DGB. Who wants a signal? A signal is here. By not calculating anything on my trading view, but just looking at this, the Kabaliga is formed. And when I tap onto the MACD indicator also to confirm, let me see. The MACD indicator to confirm is all. Remember, I told you once this yellow line crosses above the purple line, meaning it's an indicator to show that the market is pumping up. What else should you consider? When you go back on 4 hour, let me see. On 4 hour, it's still the same thing. The yellow line crossed above the purple line, meaning we are still pumping up. When I go back to 1 hour, you see, it's still the same thing. The yellow line, it is above. When I go back to 15 minutes, it is still the same thing. The yellow line, it is above, meaning I can trade this coin. That is real now. Those are like 2 factors to support me trading this coin. Another factor is when I scroll down here onto this chimeter, I'm going to see under 15-minute time frame, the thing is saying it's a strong buy. When I tap onto 1 hour time frame, the thing is saying strong buy. With a 4 hour time frame, the thing is saying the strong buy. With the 1 day time frame, the thing is still saying it's a strong buy, meaning this is a good signal to consider. Trade. Then I come on my trading view for full confirmation. When I come on my trading view, I want to fully confirm. Now this is where most of you receive my screenshots. Nganera gambo. Balabe, look at it. Hey, Flocky is coming. Hey, I didn't see this coming. So sorry for this. Wait a minute. Katono. Hey, mama. Micah Flocky is here. Micah Flocky is here coming. Mashallah. It's been a while. This was my darling. Hey, mama. Oh, I don't know who took him. Okay, let me go back to it's called DGB USDT. When you tap here, I want to confirm. Are you seeing, as I told you lately, that this coin is trying to pump to come and reach this gap of week high? Are you seeing this line? So it's going to pump from here where it is to this zone. So when you try to calculate, this is under 4 hours. When you try to calculate from here where it is to here, we have something like 7%. But me, I only want 3%. Me, I'm not too greedy. I take between 2 to 3. Sisuka wow. Even though I share a coin of 5%, me, I take 3. Yes, those who are greedy, you can wait for that 5 because it will fully bring it down. But me, I want 3 only. I don't want 5. I'm not too greedy. I know this market. So what I'm seeing, this coin is going to pump and close that chamber. When I tap onto 1 hour time frame, you see, it has just done what we call a break of structure. So one of my indicators I'm using, whenever you see this word BOS, don't ask him much. Just enter. Whenever you see this word BOS, don't ask much. Just enter because it is an indicator which says that this coin has broken the structure. That this coin was going down, then it eventually pumped up. It broke out this Fed. It's like it's indicating a price inducement that this price is going to go up. Two, when you look at this RSI indicator, the blue line has crossed above the orange line, meaning we are still pumping up. So those who want a signal, consider this DGB. When I go even in 15-year time frame, let me see. Still the same thing. With 15-year time frame, it is saying, Uncle, we're going to first go down a bit here, then after we go up. Are you seeing this indicator? It is saying, Uncle, we're going to go down a bit, then we go up, which is okay. When it goes down a bit, me, it's going to buy for me margin calls. Let me see. Let's say if it goes from here to this zone, it's just going to drop around 4%, 4.8%. Meaning my robot is going to trade. My robot is going to buy these margin calls. Who doesn't trade with margin calls? And we always tell you, please trade with margin calls. Just see this drop of 4.8%. By the time this coin drops around 4.8%, how much has it done for you? So please always trade with the strategy, not with the emotions. Let me remove this, not to observe. And tap onto 5 minutes. Still the same thing. With the 5 minutes, it's saying, Uncle, you're going to go from here to here. Are you seeing this RSI indicator? It's showing that. So this RSI is going to come from here to this first dotted line here. After reaching here, it is going to change, meaning it's going to come from here to here, then it pumps up. Because, you know why? Because whenever this candlestick touches into this blue zone is what we call the demand zone. Meaning, this blue zone, this is where we find most of the buy orders. Most of the traders are placing their trades here. Abagula banji bari wano, you know. So when prices reaches that point, boom, it is pushed up again. Let me go to 1 day time frame. I look at this coin. With the 1 day time frame, still the same thing. You see, whenever prices touch into the blue zone, they are pushed up again. So this coin is trying to increase to come and fill this gap. So meaning we have our 3%. They are waiting for us. Let me take a screenshot and I post it to the group. I want to Uncle did not give a signal. Let me give it. Let me say from here. Me I only want 3%. Okay, that is enough. Let me even take a screenshot. Let me even take a screenshot. I want to take a clean one. I think this is enough. I've took a screenshot. I will share it. We are done. Once it hits our 3%, we are good to go. What else? I come back here again. Hey, Pepe! Man, what is Pepe doing? I received a notification that Pepe food the Ziki. Then again we come back here. You see the next coin is called move. And we tap onto our move it. Yeah, so it's not forming Kabaliga. Tap onto 1 hour. It's not forming Kabaliga. You see, it's now forming converging candlesticks. You should always avoid these. And even you see these Bollinger Bands, they are converging. Ziga Tau. Yeah, I don't know how to say it. Okay, Zikolechi Tege. Now let me again show my babies. We have 3 types of people: a boy and a girl. So who knows those people? Abatambula when their foots they are converging. Let me even draw a girl here. This is mostly found in Hajats. It's because they form hips. Someone told me that. Look at this GBTC. Okay, let me go by that. So are you seeing this foot? Are you seeing their foot down here? So when their foots are forming like that, meaning there's nothing else where to go. So also these Bollinger Bands, when they form some kind of converging like this, don't trade, because it's no sign that this coin is going to pump anywhere anytime. Number two, when you look at onto this MACD indicator, the yellow band has crossed below the purple band, meaning we are going down. When you tap onto 4-hour, it was formed, the coin pumped, now it's trying to retrace back. So we don't consider this because it has already formed. It has already pumped. The Kabaliga was already formed and it pumped. So right now it's trying to come back. So we don't consider this. When you tap onto 1 day, with 1 day, Kabaliga has just been formed. In the long run, this coin will perform. If we come back onto our Chisawa, this is neutral. We don't consider it. I want strong buys only. This is neutral. We don't consider it. This is strong buy 1, even 1 buy. So we only look at strong buys. At least 3 strong buys and 1 buy. You can take that coin, because here we are looking for a hot. When I say hot, I mean in capital letters. You're looking for a hot signal. We came here to make money. So I'm looking for a hot signal. Among the 380 plus coins we are trading, I'm only looking for one which is going to deliver in the next 1 hour, in the next 4 hours, in the next 1 day, which is to give me around 30%. That's all. I didn't come here to wait for the market. I ignore this. I want Koti. Let me look at Koti. Koti with 1 day time frame, it is forming a Kabaliga. Mwepepeta say, but yeah, money. We see with Koti, it has formed the Kabaliga under 1 day time frame. When you come to 4-hour time frame, you see Koti has formed the Kabaliga. Are you seeing that? With 1 hour time frame, Koti formed the Kabaliga. Now it is trying to come back down a bit, then it again pumps. With 15-minute time frame, Koti, it formed the Kabaliga. Now look here. Now when prices reach and touch onto this middle band, it is again going to be pumped up. You know why? Because that's how it has been performing. When you try to look, okay, let me look at this from this zone. Let me look at that. Let me look at this. Let me select color purple, and maybe from this zone. Okay, try to look here. Are you seeing this? Whenever it touched onto the middle band, boom, it was pushed up. When it came back and touched on the middle band, boom, it was pushed up. When it touched onto the middle band, boom, pushed up. Middle band, boom, pushed up. So the same thing is going to happen. When it touches onto the middle band, the next thing is going to be a pump up. Are you seeing that? So with Koti, I also go with it, according to what I'm saying. When it touches onto this middle band, the next thing is a pump. So now I come down here on my Chisawa. I'm seeing a buy. I want strong buys. I'm seeing a strong buy here. Another strong buy. Another buy. Partially. This is on pending. I want 3 strong buys. I come on to Vanray. 15 minutes, no. 1 hour, it's no. 4 hour, yes. I'm seeing a Kabaliga here. 1 day, it's just trying to make, but it is not successfully yet. I come onto the Chisawa. I'm seeing a buy, no. I want strong buys. 1 strong buy, 2 strong buys, and 1 neutral. No, I don't put this. Me, I'm looking for hot signal to trade. So you consider all these. 1 day, a Kabaliga is trying to be formed. A Kabaliga, you see, a Kabaliga is formed. This is even sharp. Are you seeing this? A Kabaliga kaka, no. You see, on BB, the coin is called BB. Even the market indicator has just been formed. The Kabaliga here, it is fresh. You come on to 1 hour. Kabaliga, it is fresh. 15 minutes. This coin has low volatility, but it will perform. Then when you come down here on our Chisawa, I'm seeing a strong buy. Another strong buy. Jao mutwe, look at this thing. Strong buy, 1 hour, 4 hour, strong buy, even 1 day, 1 buy. So I can take this. So when I come onto my trading view for a full confirmation, look at it. Please go down. BGB, let me leave you. I want now BBUSDT. Look at BBUSDT. With the BBUSDT, it's also the same thing. Once you see, when you see breakup structure, don't ask much. Just enter. It's an indicator to show that this coin is going to pump up. Yeah, when you come to 1 hour, you see with 1 hour, it has just formed a breakup structure. Are you seeing here? Don't ask much when you see the word BOS. Don't ask much. Woo, it will pump up. Then I go to, then I consider my RSI. RSI, it has reached the maximum. It is here. So Njigenda Polar. Now look at my 4 hour. My 4 hour now it's in the resistance zone. Now here I'm facing a challenge. This coin, it's in the resistance zone. This, are you seeing this fed? But this one is not too much imminent because it's about to be broken. If it was too much imminent, it would be dark gray. It would be darker gray. But right now, it is trying to be weakened. It is that resistance. But I'm also seeing a break of structure. At the same time, it is also within this resistance, meaning it's about to be broken. So if I'm to take a profit from here, I want like a 3%. Okay, it will be formed there. Maybe take a screenshot. Let me go to 1 day time frame. I see where we are heading. We're into the danger zone, the black zone. But what are they kubwangu? Ignore this. For us, we're looking for hot signal. But with the Kabaliga, it has fully confirmed to us that we are pumping up no matter what. Just trading view helps you to fully confirm what you are heading to. So with the BB, according to trading view, it is telling me, uncle, you're trading on the danger zone. It's like, how can I say? I want to use an example, which is, let me see, which people are online. Kubanga. I might say some words here. Where did you come from? Look at all these people. Panange? Mwe. Excuse me, sir. Okay. Bethig, Manza, Happy, Sharifu, Ahmed, Kainda, Queen, Manje, Suka, Martin, Juliet, Geoffrey, Justin, Mananu, Cloud, Esther, Hassan, Esther. Okay. Ochieng, Dawit, Edgar, Royal Q, Waswa, Makirini, Agie, Jackson, Likia, John, Celia, Kuku Wazabanga. Kuku, Sabo, excuse me, sir. Twina Kasuku, Kuku Wazabanga. I'm seeing Muhumza, Princess Diana, Mr. David, D. Namuguzi, Hamza, Osekenyi, Kat, Nazwa, Flavia, Murat, Msajono. I'm seeing Muke, Badman, Madam Nanono, Harriet, Mr. Sunai, Madam Kakuru, Madam Salma, Beth Kajambo. I'm seeing Mr. Nathan. Okay, to mention but a few. Very good, yeah. Okay. Now I was saying here, when you see this black zone, that's with the trading view. But with our Ryuk, it is saying to us, no matter what, bro, we are pumping up. So all indicators are fine, and it will surely perform because I'm seeing some increment. So it will hit when it increases on 0.1690. Are you seeing here? This will be our take profit 0.1690. This will be our take profit. So currently it is trading at 0. Are you seeing here up? It is trading at 0.1652. So it just has to only increase a bit of 0.0040. That's the only change it can do to hit our take profit of 3%. Let's wait and see. What else more? Let me see. Sorry for this. What else more? I go back on my RAQ. So that's how you identify. So you take a look at all these. This somewhere girl and check and see. Even look at this Doge. Doge gave us some money in the morning. Doge gave us some money in the morning. So nothing to worry more about. Nothing to worry more about. Okay. Doge ebale kola sente. Doge ebale kola sente. Wow. Wow. People who were awake today, they made some good money. Those who were awake today, they made some good money. Okay. What else? I think that's all. I've been receiving notifications from Pepe. Pepe is making a Kabaliga. Pepe is making a Kabaliga here. Pepe is making a Kabaliga here. Strong buy. I'm seeing strong buy. I'm seeing strong buy. I'm seeing strong buy. Only one buy. Let me try to confirm with Pepe. I think I'm going to end with this. Pepe. Hey, it has not yet reached my line. If I come on to 4 hour, Pepe is just coming. Pepe. This Pepe needs to be traded in cycle. Kubanga, the weight is super volatile. I want only 3%. Okay, that's enough for me. From there, I make a screenshot. Hey, imagine all these 7%. Imagine in the morning. But that's life. Tewali kyakukola. That is life. Tewali kyakukola. And I try to look at 1 hour time frame. Still the same thing. And I try to look at 15-minute time frame. It is there. Week high. And I try to look at 1 day time frame. We are pumping. So whatever you're seeing here, it was money being made. Whatever you're seeing here, we all witnessed this. Let me show you. Let me try to show you something. I traded this coin, yeah? See, are you seeing all those percentages? That is money. Are you seeing all those percentages? That is money. Yes. I started trading this coin on 2024. That was May last year. I'm soon making a year trading this coin Pepe. Pepe was introduced let me see, in 2023. It was a trading at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It had 6 decimal places. Pepe had 6 decimal places. Right now it only has 4 decimal places. And it's soon to only have 3 decimal places. Because I witnessed that last year. Pepe went up to, you see where it went? It pumped up to this zone. Pepe to this zone here. When you try to look here, its highest icing up, it was 0.0000286. That was Pepe's almost time high. So Pepe right now has to make sure it is going to pump. Let me try to show you. Pepe is going to pump from where it is right now back to where it came from. So meaning Pepe has to pump from where it is right now back to here. It was 28 something. So meaning we have a 222% increase with the pepe. But this is not to happen in a fortnight or in a one night or a blink of an eye. It is a series. You see, it is a series of pumping. So you eat yoka 3, yoka 4, yoka 10, yoka 3. Let me say eat yoka 3, yoka 3. Even the next day, ka 3, ka 3. The 1%, the ka 4%. You take 1 week trading this pepe. By the time it pumps from this zone back to this zone, you might at least accumulated around 3,000% if you're a consistent trader. But currently, I'm seeing some good resistance. It's trying to pump from this zone to this zone after it closes out. So something like that. So with the pepe, it is just there. I've also took a screenshot. Did I? Let me take a screenshot of this. I want a 3, not a 3.6. Okay, that's enough. Take a screenshot. Okay, I think that's all. Unless otherwise someone's having out an inquiry or a supplement. But I think me, I'm done. Unless otherwise someone is having out an inquiry or a supplement, me, I'm done. Unless otherwise someone is having out an inquiry or a supplement, me, I'm done. Before we close really out, Wanji, let me come back here and I see. Hey mama, thank you for the clappings. I'm really so honored. Where's BOS in our trading view? BOS, it's an indicator called smart money concept. When I tap here, is this. Where do you find it? You tap onto this icon down here. Down here. After tapping there, you tap onto the word indicators. Tap onto that indicators. Tap onto the word search. Or you can say technicals, anything you want. Me, what I'm looking for, when you write smart money, is already here. Smart money concept, Lakzalgo. Smart money concept, Lakzalgo. So when you tap there, first add it to favorite. This caster sign. Then after, you just tap onto it. It will be applied to your chart. Then it's where you find the BOS and whatsoever. Have I answered you correctly? Let me see some messages. Please record for us. I'm saying, can we enter this coin right away? Hey, never know you people. I've been saying that. My trading doesn't have BOS. I've done that. So something about W coin boss. Thanks for the presentation, Uncle Kabaliga. Never not way. Since Uncle Kabaliga, excuse me, sir. I'm good, Uncle Royal Q. Since the Kabaliga boss. What in case as that with BOS, I've answered that. The truth is, I can answer that in one day. It is okay. It is okay. It's fine. Queen, that cumulative consumption of knowledge, it will lead you to understand all this in one day. What else? What else? I think that's all. Anyone else having an inquiry or a supplement? Walo aina chabuza, have a say on ada. What I can say, zona zija kwambuka. Hey. If I start to see right now that have a say, you might end the whole day when everyone is saying, please tell me about this, please tell me about this, please tell me about this. That will come out for the next day, but all in all the coins will pump up. Unless otherwise, that's all. Anyone else having out an inquiry or a supplement? Walwa ina chatesa or wachawabla before we close out. Yes, please. Walwa ina chatesa or wachawabla before we really close out. If not, then allow me wish you a happy Eid in advance. Bannange ono ididde buli omu agende gye yali ku Christmas. We recall our people. Temufaayo. You have Easter, you have Monday, you have Good Friday, you have Holy Thursday. You have many days. In fact, the whole week. For us, we only have one day. That might be Monday or Sunday, but probably it might be Monday. So next Monday, must have Basmat. It's next Eid. It will be either Monday or Sunday, but probably on Monday. So allow me wish you a happy Eid in advance. Eid Mubarakah, Ramadan Mubarakah. What else? What app do you use to confirm the trade? It's Trading View, sir. The app is called Trading View. I think that's all. Those who did not fast, but for those who are those who did not fast? Muslims are fasting. Christians are also fasting. You is eating. Which religion are you? You people, which religion are you? Muslims are fasting. Christians are also fasting. Who is you eating? Where do you fall? Kale whatsoever. If I remember when we drew Venn diagrams, the intersection wakati awo babachiya, neither abali mu group A or mu group B muri awo, the intersection. So I think you're those people, neither fasting or fasting muri awo. Naye kyonna kyekiri Queen ntava ku mmere gwe beera awo. God will strike you with the floating rose. Owulire. They don't strike you with the thunders. They will strike you with the floating rose of Chiwulire. But please, let's go and look for capital. Let's build good teams. Yeah, we shall earn. We shall earn passive income. We shall have passive income. Banange, musiibe bulungi, mweraba. Mr. Charles, Mr. Ahmed, you are kusanira Kalevu. Mashallah, mashallah, Mr. Ahmed. Mashallah, mashallah. Akarevu, yes. Tusimye. Swaumu, checho. Kukozemu omulimo. Hagenimana. I'm not seeing her. I'm seeing who else? Who else? There. What is the camera? Need to get it out. Nange kadeka camera. Muswadde. Banange, have a good day. See you. Gimanza, thank you for that air, bro.